Hi, I'm Jenny from Jobber. Let's talk about the different places in Jobber where you can collect payment. The place you will most commonly collect payment from is the invoice. Once you've been paid, go to the invoice the payment is for and click the Collect Payment button next to the More Actions button. You'll be prompted to select the payment method, confirm the payment amount, and add any relevant details or notes. Once everything is entered, click Charge if you're using online payments, or Save. If the invoice was paid in full, the status of the invoice will now show as paid, and you will see a $0 balance at the bottom of the invoice. Another place to collect payment or record a deposit is from the billing history box on the client page. You can't charge a card here, but you can record a payment made by other methods like cash or check. The billing history box shows an inventory of all deposits, payments, and invoices. If you collect deposits on approved quotes, you can charge their card from the quote by clicking Collect Deposit. Enter the payment details, then click Charge. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to check out our Help Center.